Hi everyone, I'm Andy and this is the AI Breakdown. Welcome to your weekly news edition where I'll cover what happened in AI last week, why it matters, all in less than 10 minutes. OpenAI has stirred up Hollywood with the release of Sora 2, a groundbreaking text-to-video tool capable of inserting real people and characters into AI-generated videos. It's received a rather icy reception from Hollywood studios and unions who are up in arms about copyright and privacy concerns. The fear is all about unapproved use of protected likenesses, which, rightly so, has sparked significant backlash. The implications of Sora to extend beyond just Hollywood. This development could redefine IP controls and transformation in creative processes. Sora 2's capabilities are remarkable, generating realistic video content that previously required hefty budgets and large teams. Yet, it's a double-edged sword. If not handled carefully, it might blur the lines of intellectual property and creative ownership even more. Charles Rifkin, chairman of the Motion Picture Association, made his sentiments quite clear when he said, OpenAI needs to take immediate and decisive action to address this issue. This saga highlights the constant tension between advancing technology and existing legal and ethical frameworks in creativity, and it's one to watch closely as it develops. Google has just rolled out a new AI model called Gemini 2.5 Computer Use, an innovative AI model that enables bots to interact with web pages like a human. It's not your regular bot. It's designed to let AI agents navigate websites and apps by actually clicking, typing, and scrolling in a browser. It's a big leap forward in AI-driven process automation. Unlike typical bots that rely on APIs, this model visually interprets a web page like a human would, looking at the screen, and can perform tasks such as filling out forms and submitting information. Google demonstrated Gemini 2.5 performing actions like playing a web game and browsing news autonomously, using a loop of reading the screen and taking actions. The model is available in preview via Google's AI developer tools, Vertex AI and AI Studio, enabling developers to build agents that carry out multi-step tasks on websites. Developers are buzzing with excitement about the potential here. It cuts out the meticulous task of integrating specific APIs for every function, making app development more efficient. Imagine an AI gathering competitive pricing from multiple websites, updating your knowledge base and generating battle cards, without needing API access to any of those sites. Or an AI automatically pulling receipts from your email, logging into your expense system, and filing your monthly reports. Now, I've been trying to crack this type of problem myself for months. I've experimented with ChatGPT agent mode, wrestled with Selenium browser automation, tried various workarounds, all with pretty mixed results. Sometimes it works brilliantly, sometimes it's a complete disaster. So I'm excited to try out this Gemini update. This technology is a major step forward, pushing the boundaries of what digital assistants can do. eBay's recent initiative, AI Activate, is a bold move towards levelling the playing field for small businesses. The £3 million programme, launched in the UK, will onboard up to 10,000 eBay sellers, giving them free 12-month access to ChatGPT Enterprise and custom AI productivity tools developed by eBay. Participants will also receive training, both virtual sessions and later in-person workshops, on how to use AI for tasks like financial analysis, writing marketing copy, researching market trends, and improving product listings. Notably, eBay is the first major marketplace to provide OpenAI's enterprise-grade tools at no cost to its sellers, aiming to boost their efficiency and growth online. The program was crafted after surveying small businesses, which indicated strong interest in AI but uncertainty about how to implement it. And it builds on eBay's own use of AI. Over 10 million sellers have already used eBay's generative AI features to create more than 300 million product listings, contributing billions in sales. This initiative is more than just an act of generosity. It's a strategic move that could significantly boost productivity in areas like marketing and market research for small to medium enterprises. By doing so, it opens up the world of artificial intelligence to businesses that might not have had the resources to engage with such technology otherwise. The program has been met with positive feedback from small businesses, being hailed as a potential game changer. Such moves are likely to encourage other platforms to offer similar tools. This kind of reminds me of what's happening in the US public sector, where tech giants are offering AI products to government agencies for free or nearly free, essentially trying to get themselves ingrained early and ultimately force dependence on one supplier. What eBay is doing here is clever. They're democratizing AI access to keep their platform competitive and diverse. Small sellers get enterprise-level tools, eBay keeps its marketplace vibrant, and they avoid becoming just another platform dominated by a few AI-powered giants. OpenAI has released new updates for ChatGPT, making it more powerful and versatile than ever. It announced that the AI's built-in web browsing feature, known as ChatGPT Search, is now available to all users, including free tier, globally. This means anyone can use ChatGPT to get fast, timely answers with relevant web sources on current events, information, or anything on the internet, effectively turning ChatGPT into a direct Google competitor. OpenAI even released a browser extension so users can set ChatGPT as their default search engine in Chrome. At the same time, OpenAI introduced major multimodal features including the advanced voice mode, which extends their voice conversations feature, upgrading it to support real-time image and video input, and even screen sharing. In practice, a user could point their phone camera or share their screen with ChatGPT and ask questions about what they're seeing, for instance, debugging an error on screen or solving a handwritten math problem, and ChatGPT will respond with voice and visual cues. The timing here is perfect. I literally just released a podcast over the weekend about how blind comedian Chris McCausland is using AI to transform his independence. I looked at how he uses AI vision tools as essential daily assistants, pointing his phone at audiences to gauge their reactions, having AI describe what's around him. These new ChatGPT features basically take that specialist accessibility tech and make it universal. Now anyone can point their phone and ask, "What am I looking at?" and get instant voice responses. As Chris always says, the best accessibility innovations end up benefiting everyone. These updates rolled out within the past week are a continuation of ChatGPT transitioning from a text-only assistant to something like a full-service AI helper that can browse, speak, listen, and see. That's all for this week's AI Roundup. If you found value in this breakdown, please leave a rating and hit subscribe. See you next week.